Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to create this with the blend tool and they're just forgetting one step. They sent me the file and this is what they did. They made a 6-sided polygon and they Control D, held down the Shift key, and then they take both items and they went to Effects and Blend, and let's blend them 4 times this time. And then he goes and breaks the contour apart or the blend apart. But when he goes to hit B, that's all it does. Well, the step he's forgetting that a blend still has a group in the middle. So all you have to do after you break the blend apart, you must go and ungroup them. Then you could hit B. Now, I don't know what he's doing with this, and I didn't help myself by, you know what, let's make it 5. Let's see what it's going to look like. We'll go with 5 this time. But then you got to go to break the blend apart, and then you still have to select it and go up to Object and Group and ungroup it to make it do this by hitting the letter B. It doesn't matter, you could hit T. And then let's take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, that in, that in, and that in. Now, I can just take and right-click No Outline because I have a point down here. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to move my center rotation to that. Make sure it's on a node. And then rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. That's a pretty, I like this. I don't know if he just needs 3 or if he's just trying to do it, but that's pretty cool. Let's make it so it'll stand out. Let's make it yellow. Well, I guess you can't make it yellow. And we can make the lines. Well, you know what? We can make it yellow. Let's just fill it in with yellow. I like showing it off in yellow, especially on my icon. So this, instead of doing blue, let's just do yellow. And let's go yellow, 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 yellow. Right click to take away the outline. Control G to group it, very important. Because if you don't, it won't rotate. Control D, double click on the rotation and make sure it goes. See that they're saying an intersection? Don't go that intersection. You see it's way over there. Sometimes I will come off and see the node, 120 degrees. Okay. I don't know if I made a copy. Nope. Well, let's Control D first, then move our rotation to there. That's a little tricky. Rotate it 120 degrees, Control D. It looks, I've been doing yellow for probably 6 months now, just kind of show it off a little better, especially on my icon. Now we have some lines between there that could be adjusted, but if we will take it and make the lines yellow, well, you don't really want that either, but it is a cool look. Anyway, hope that helped him and solved his problem, and thank you for watching.